Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. In today's video, I will share some design ideas with you. I hope you can have inspiration from it. Small beads jewelry has been popular for many years. Even men customers will love it, and they like to match several small beads bracelets in different styles and colors. It looks pretty cool. Black onyx with sterling silver is a very unique combination, which is why jewelry makers love to use black onyx beads. When you come up with a new design, you can consider making a few styles like braided, adjustable link, elastic cords. This way, customers will have more choices, especially when you are doing online business. This will also help you increase the market share and exposure. This style is made with 4mm black onyx, 6mm tourmalated quartz. In China, we call it black rudelated quartz because it's needle-like inclusion, and the handmade sterling silver spaces, very small. And I added 2 little spaces next to the positioning bead. This style and the elastic cord style is fixed resize, but you can make it according to your customer's resize if possible. Adjustable style, you can use braided with the adjustable knot, and you can use the clasp with a adjustable link, 2 inches length. And then you can make a whole theme of it, like changing the center bead, like lapis, brown tiger eye, malachite, red jasper. It's all up to you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.